What's up, guys? Today we are in season 4 of the Dallas Cowboys rebuild, and this is part 2 of the video. So please be watching this because this is probably our final part, and probably we'll win the Retro Bowl in this video or not. I'm not really sure 100%. I mean, I would really love to win the Retro Bowl so we can end this. I want to do as many teams as I can. So technically, if you want to see our roster one time, quarterbacks, Jalen Switzer, 4-star. Running back, Keydron Gay. Yeah. Ben Ford, a tight end. Yeah. In his rookie season, he did very solid. Receiver, that's like 10,000 yards already. So yeah, this offense may actually struggle this season because we have $2 million in cap right now. That's just not gonna help. So I'm sorry, I'll just check my grades real quick. So let's play this first game. You know what? Let's just play this first game. The running back is wide open. Honestly, we finalized a good running back in the Cowboys. I'm probably gonna do a rebuild that we don't. I can't spoil it for you. Like, we may not have a position for example. We may not have a wide receiver. We may not have a defense. Like, it's gonna be and we had to try to win a Retro Bowl like that. Okay. Subscribe if you want me to do the New Orleans Saints, and like if you want me to do Cleveland Browns. Those are either one of the two rebuilds that I'm gonna try to do, because both teams are struggling this season right now. Like the Saints, I don't know how in the world they went from being the best offense to one of the worst teams in the NFL. Like, that's probably the most collapsing team in an NFL season. So yeah, okay, so how well we could run the ball here. Oh man, he's wide open for the run. Oh, he could have gotten a first down. Can we run with the quarterback? Maybe. I'm just not gonna run probably unless he was wide open. Yep, broken tackle. Normally in Retro Bowl, quarterbacks don't normally run. I don't know why, but it would have been nice if, like, we had a scrambling quarterback, which they never do that in Retro Bowl. I just, wish they had that. Okay, let's see how well. Let's go, touchdown. No, white people call me spoiled for no reason, and that just keeps bothering me. So if you want me to feel not saying, oh, people are just calling you spoiled because you have this, that, you have to agree with me on this. Just because you have money and stuff like that, that doesn't mean you're 100% spoiled. Let's say you have a PC, right? And people are just calling you spoiled because of that. It's just necessarily unfair. And if you agree with me that, just please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel a lot. It's just unfair. And calling people spoiled, do you know what that exactly means? You're just calling them saying, oh, I just want this or I want that. You're saying that just because they have valuable things, that doesn't mean they're really spoiled. You're calling them bad people. And spoiled is basically what it kind of means. Kind of like a brat that just wants to get everything. The real definition of spoiled is when you don't appreciate what you have. And that's just utterly like pretty just rude calling people spoiled. If you know what I mean. Okay, let's continue the Cowboys. So I had touchdowns. This Falcons defense, we're just cooking them. We're actually cooking them. Our tight end's been doing pretty well. He's wide open for the first down. Like, he's always wide open. The wide receiver's not really open. The quarterback is wide open to run, but too slow. I think he's a white guy that's too slow. Okay, so our wide receiver took the touchdown for the tight end. Kind of wants to develop the tight end, but more of the team's like really good. Let's see our front office. They only have 1 year on their contract left. I'm actually gonna let me increase the stadium so we can have better fans. And I am actually just gonna simulate the season entire into the mid-season. Let's see how well we do. So far we are 4-2. We're the 5th seed right now. We're tied with the Philadelphia Eagles. Look at quarterback. So there was like a bye week, so we don't have the greatest side. 1,600 yards, 19 touchdowns, 2 interceptions. Great. Okay, I'll take it. Running back, 11 yards per carry. 409 yards, 6 touchdowns. Okay. Tied up fumble twice. I don't know what to say about that. 13 touchdowns from our wide receiver. I think I should play the New York Giants because I want to play a game with my friend, with my fans. Okay, good. Take a few yards. So normally the New York Giants in real life are owned by the Dallas Cowboys. That's the only team that the Dallas Cowboys own. The rest of the teams, no. And the Eagles don't own the Giants. People think they do, but they don't really know, actually. My opinion, they don't. Like, they lost last year to the Giants, so that's why they're like, you know. A running back's a beast. Like, you should have more than 400 yards, but you should probably have like 1,800 yards minimum for rushing. Receiver. Ben Furden. Okay. 44 yards. Very good. Very good. Honestly, when I looked at the Jacksonville versus Patriots game score, dang, Patriots are suck. Like they got blown out, like 32-16. Like I thought it was gonna be close because the Jaguars were pretty bad, but not gonna lie, they are the Patriots are bad, like bad. If you know what I mean, like. They could be really the worst team of all time. If they didn't beat the Bengals, for sure they would have got 0-17. Like, okay, see if we hit the touchdown. Dive. In real life, like in week 4, the Giants almost won against the Cowboys, but they didn't. Like it was if they had Malik Neighbors, they would have won. But I mean, here's the thing: the rest actually like, I saw the game technically because number one, my dad is a Cowboys fan, so I just watched the game, and yeah, safe to say that there were many penalties in the game, and then actually it was on the Cowboys. People are saying that like, oh, it was they were trying to make penalties so that the Cowboys should win. No, it was actually to make the Giants win. And surprisingly, they did not win. Yeah. 25-35. We are top of the division. Eagles lost. Dang. Who did the Eagles lose to? I mean, I can't check that because I don't know. I can't check. Oh my god, our quarterback's injured. How did he get injured? I mean, don't tell me you just try to hit your head on something. Oh my god. Let's simulate the entire season. See how well we. Technically, although I supposed to simulate to the end of the season, I decided to simulate until week 18 to play the Cowboys' biggest rival, probably maybe not. Yeah, probably I'll say biggest rival, the Philadelphia Eagles. See if we could beat them. So far we had the ball. Okay. Subscribe if you think I'm better than Mike McCarthy, head coach. Like, he's bad. Okay, so. So far, wide open. Broken tackle, broken tackle, broken tackle, broken tackle, broken tackle, touchdown. Cowboys, Cowgirls, Dallas Cowgirls, Cowgirls. Okay. Honestly, this is our fourth season. I don't really know what our total record is, but it should be like 900. So if we win this game, which I think we should, we're probably gonna make the playoffs as the one seat in our division, not in the league. I mean, I think San Francisco already has that. My favorite team. Honestly, though, I really don't know. Disgusting. Okay, so looks like we have the lead in the Eagles. I mean, I think we're lucky that they have the down collapse. But listen, we're gonna have as many winning records as we can. Yep. I don't think we had a winning season our first season. I'll go check that out. Oh no, that can't happen. I don't think Eagles still scored a touchdown. Yeah, our defense is holding us. I think our defense may be actually carrying us. Oh, we could have gone. 23 yards on that play. I would take that. So we got like a minute left on the clock. Let's see what we could do in a minute. Rushing touchdown. We finally have a division. Let's go. We win the division 13-4. Wait, we have a first round bye. Oh, let's go. We don't have to play a wild card game. Honestly, so we did win the conference. Oh. Got a first round bye, see. So San Francisco just won the Retro Bowl against the New York Jets. So we are gonna actually skip. Oh, we're playing the Philadelphia Eagles. I don't really know if we could win this game, but I am gonna play it. Like, if we win this game, it's gonna be huge. But I don't think 100% we're gonna win this game. But let's see. Don't underestimate a team that we just beat. Bro, they just collapsed. They actually just collapsed. They used to be one of the best teams in the league last year. There still is kind of, but I don't think they're Super Bowl contenders. Retro Bowl contenders are. I call it Super Bowl sometimes in Retro Bowl because it is technically Super Bowl. So. I'll take the tight end. Didn't send it all the way to the house, but oh man, would have had that. Let's go, touchdown, touchdown. If I feel confident that we're gonna win, I am actually just gonna simulate the game, the entire game. See if we're confident that we will win, like 100%, not like 50%. Oh no. Oh. We need to make a 2-possession game so that we have a bigger chance of winning because their defense is going off right now. You could kick a field goal in this drive, but I'm actually going to go for it, and I'm probably going to kick the field goal in the next drive. Yeah, I'll probably kick the field goal in this drive, actually. So we'll go up by like a touchdown. So they punt. It's pretty good. I think that if we score in this drive, yeah, the game's probably over. The game's probably over, yeah. The game's probably over. Not exactly 100%, but this is a 2-possession game. Let's go beat the Philadelphia 31-7. Let's go. I mean, I could really like to win the Retro Bowl this season. So you know what? Since I'm kind of want to be in a break right now for I want to show you guys about like the NFL Week 7 so far. So as you know, Broncos destroy the Saints. Jaguars destroy the Patriots. Lions are up by 4. I kind of want to get that prediction right for the Vikings. Like, I mean, but honestly, like, let's see the passing stats. Wow, very nice. Well, Sam Darnold, not great games with Sam Darnold, but honestly, yes, Colts tied with the Dolphins. Not expecting that. Seahawks beating the Falcons. Texans are up by 2. Bengals Browns, very low scoring game. Honestly, the offense for the Bengals should have been a lot better than 7 points. Like, don't forget, they scored a special teams touchdown, not an offensive touchdown. The Eagles, they are basically beating the Giants. So, I am really excited for this game. Probably I'm going to watch it. And yeah. Anyways, let's just go back on Retro Bowl. Let's play. So, we're going to play Minnesota. I would rather have Minnesota over San Francisco. They're going to play this game. Oh, I like when they had the lead. But in real life, Minnesota is actually pretty good. Like, they're very good. Like, they're 5-0. Honestly, I think the Lions, if the Lions win, they'll probably become the best team in the league if the Chiefs lose. But definitely, the Lions would have the division title if the Vikings lose. The Lions are a really good team, so I wouldn't really... Like, honestly, I did say in my predictions that the Vikings would lose 38-7. Don't make comments saying, oh, that's a really bad prediction. That's a really bad prediction. Technically, if you think about it, the Vikings defense has been one of the best in the league. So that's why I think that the Vikings would have dominated against the Lions. Okay. Russian touchdown. Let's go. I think we are the favorites to win this game. Yeah, it looks like we are the favorites. Dallas Cowboys may have been playoff chokers in the past, but not this season. But maybe next season they will. Don't forget, this is Jerry's world. This is not Jerry's world. This is my world. My world does not throw interceptions. I didn't check the stats on purpose because I thought that would be a waste of time, but honestly, I think since like stats are normally like for the end of the season, I think I should check that because yeah, that's why. Okay, so it looks like we had the ball. If we score in this drive, yeah, technically the game's already over. Really? We are scoring another insane touchdown. Bro, the Vikings defense are confused. 60 yards. 60 yards. You know what? I am actually going to embarrass the Vikings. Maybe not. I'm just going to... So, Dallas are NFC champions. Finally, after a few years. Quarterback didn't have the greatest game of his life, but running back did insane. Take that. I'll take that 100%. We are going against the Los Angeles Chargers. They are third. I don't think we're going to win this game, but I'm definitely not simulating because I'm afraid that we will lose. So we have a better defense than the Chargers, so I'm just understand how we So if we Remember defense wins championships? So yeah, so technically if our defense does really well, we will win the Retro Bowl. If I don't win the Retro Bowl, I would be really upset. Like, we went all this way just to lose. They're just scoring field goals all day. Chargers fans, I'm sorry that you're upset. We're probably gonna do every every Retro Bowl team as much as possible. So see how well we can do. Their offense is actually struggling. Our defense is insane. I don't trust a field goal here. That's just too long. That's like 60 yards or something. Yeah, we're probably gonna kick a field goal here, I think. Should be. Nailed it. You're basically dominating teams. I'm basically dominating teams. Yeah, I am better than Mike McCarthy as head coach. I am better than Mike McCarthy as head coach. And I did this on dynamic mode, the hardest mode in the entire game. I'm actually going to play the entire Retro Bowl game. Like, I'm going to play the entire one. Let's go. Touchdown. Cowgirls are actually better than what I thought. Don't get fooled. The Chargers only have one touchdown. Just letting you know. Destroyed the Chargers 38-17. And we are Retro Bowl champions. Defensive back that we saw. I decided to sign a defensive back in free agency. I didn't show you guys that, but the the Cowboys are NFC champions. I mean, not NFC champions, but Retro Bowl champions. Our offensive coordinator, me get a ring. Defensive coordinator gets a ring. Switzer, Gay, Benford, Mosley, Warren, Orgy, Harmon, Holtz, Folk. They all get a ring. So let's see how well our quarterback did. Yeah, see, like, we just decide, like, he missed some games, unfortunately, but luckily we won now. 27 touchdowns. The entire playoff run. Let's see, we are a 4-star head coach. I would gladly take that. So we did have dynamic mode. Honestly, Everyone got a ring, and thank you for people who are watching this. Please subscribe and hit that like button now.